Good morning, sleepyheads. Is ready to face a long day of napping. Oh, critic. My Lego pieces should be scared of this guy since he did attack and eat Batman. Actually, he didn't eat Batman, he just attacked him. Dude, what you doing? No.
Stay here, bud.
The great hunter. He's moved 3 feet.
I know, but he decided, buddy. Hey, Boudet. That tail's going pretty fast. He's gonna make a move here. Oh, you're filming this?
What? I'm just laying here. Not even sure I have it in frame because the glare is so bad.
It's like, you think you're gonna catch me? I'm more afraid that he's gonna.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time. Going on here? Mortal enemies sharing the bed. Magic. And here I thought they were starting to get along. And then he has claws. She does not. And they're close to the same weight. I don't think he realizes that he has the advantage. I have Buddy in my trombone case that I was cleaning up and organizing. I'm going to have to vacuum it again. And Magic sleeping right next to it. I probably should have... Now look at you two. Friends for just a few minutes or a little more? Oh, Buddy's had enough. Okay, dude. Yeah, Buddy seems unsure of what to make of the new humidifier. And by new, I mean the one that's been in the back closet. Hey there, bud. Sitting in the sun, coming in from outside, and pretty much look at these two sitting together. They usually try to avoid each other. Oops. So we have the new humidifier. By new, I mean we've had it for a while. Buddy seems a little freaked out by it, so he's joining me up here and keeping an eye on it. Good boy. Hey, Buddy. Wow, you made it halfway down the lawn before you had to stop and rest, huh? Right there in the shade of the apple tree. There, Buddy. Yeah, when I say stop, I don't mean keep walking. Oh, you're going to try to cozy up and be friendly now. You know you were wrong. It's quite a ways from the patio, mister. Get you two sitting together. One moment you're smacking each other, the next you're here. Hey there, buddy. Sitting in the sun, huh? Yeah, and... Ooh, obnoxious. Magic has decided she wants Buddy's spot, and she is being really aggressive. I think she's mad at me for stopping her. Morning, Buddy. Feeling right next to the watery thing. Don't know why you thought you would fit in that thing. Got your head in, that was about it. Oh. Yeah. My supply of books. Holy cow, dude. They're going to town. Yep, that's my hand. And my phone. We get you to calm down. Lay down. Relax. Chill out. Dad, Buddy found my trombone case. probably should have closed the lid, but just cleaning it out, vacuuming it. All right, Hunter. Let me guess, the birds didn't come right to you? No? Hey, bud. You and Magic. Got into it hard today, huh? Well, I see you found Miss Gracie's towel. What do you have to say for yourself, huh? So these two often are not happy together. Apparently are not. So we got the sweet kitty here with claws. Yep. Or if you could be calm like this one. He has to sit on my lap now. I think he was jealous that Magic was here for a while. Was that the case? Look who decided to join me. Miss Magic. Query a lap sitter with me. So for Buddy, it's lunchtime. And for Magic, she really likes the bag, but she really wants his spot. She jumped up there to take it from him, and he smacked her away. And she smacked back. He's finally standing up for himself. There you go, bud. Eat some grass. That'll be great in an hour when we're in the living room and you can't keep it down. You're going to town there, dude. Hey, bud, I guess hunting time is over, huh? You got outside, and now you're sleepy, boy. Ooh. Yeah, now you're good. I have a buddy here, and I'm not feeling well. I also have Magic over there, who seems to kind of jump in and be sweet. Apparently, Buddy objected to my telling everyone he was sleeping. But Gracie still owns the piano bench. Wow, look at you two. Sitting here nicely together instead of fighting. They're just staring at each other. There we go, buddy. How's it going? Chilling. Relaxing. He's finally standing his ground, and I think she doesn't know what to do about it. Good job, bud. Alright, buddy. Yeah, apparently you decided to come and comfort me as I'm not feeling well. Buddy is content on my lap. Buddy, you're not supposed to leave the patio. And you know it by the way you're acting there. Oh, bud, am I going to have to come and get you? And now another joins in. Magic has eaten something off of all 3 plates. They're all the same stuff. Right? Buddy's mad. Gracie owns the piano now. And Magic just sleeps. Hey, buddy. Not done setting it up yet.